Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I wanted to share a new book that's currently available right now to purchase. It is the Cash Stash Activity Book, Tight Budgets by my friend Ilysse Ratner. So I'm going to be sharing this book. I'm really excited for this one. I plan on adding in one of these challenges into my current system. Right now I'm currently using this book right here. This is the first activity book that Ilysse has written. And I'm working on a challenge from this. I think I've done 3 challenges so far. This one has like a full range of like lower end savings challenges to high end savings challenges, like bigger goals. This one's going to be focused more on tighter budgets, which is really nice. I wanted to share the one that I'm currently working on from that first book because I'm almost done with it. So for me, I'm not like a huge saver, but I will say that doing these challenges has really helped me to save a lot. I actually did a budget review of how much I've saved just from using savings challenges. So yeah, I have a little list of all the money that I saved last year on all my savings. This is all just savings challenge money. And last year I saved over $8,000 just from doing challenges. So for me, challenges have been like a really good thing that I have added to my budgeting to help me to save more because it makes it fun. I really enjoy coloring things in. It's an incentive for me to do that, so I'll want to save more to be able to do that, to color in these little sections. So I love some savings challenges, especially the ones where you can color things in. So we're gonna check this out and see the fun challenges that are gonna be in here. In the book, we have some pages. There's going to be some pages that you can read, and a little introduction, why cash is good for tight budgets, how to use the book, why saving a little can do a lot. So you get some info about that. 10 savings, so you get some tips for tight budgets, like treat savings like a bill, don't wait until you have extra money, round up your purchases, do a no spend challenge, use what you have, observe the 24-hour rule. So that one's buying any non-essentials, wait 24 hours. Often the impulse to buy will dissipate after the 24 hours have passed. Yeah, that's true. I need to do that more. Review subscriptions. Oh yeah, review subscriptions. Sometimes those subscriptions add up. You're not paying attention to what you have and you're just renewing them over and over again. Reduce temptations, shop store brands. Oh yeah, I like doing that too. Track your wins. So yeah, little tips right there. You get a little budget right here, our budget quiz. Household budget quiz that you can take, a budget table so you can write in your current budgets and changes you want to make and what your new budget's going to be, what you'll need to get started for savings, and then you have $25 to $100 activities. So this book is a very nice, it's a very nice low savings challenge amounts. $25, the highest one's going to be $100. So we have, I'm going to share some of them because I don't want to share them all, so that way you don't have, you'll be able to see them yourself. But we have these color in the letters. So again, I like things where I can color things in, and these you'll be able to color in each time you save $1. For extra savings, you can make each vowel worth $10. So you can use, this would be a $10, this would be $1. And then so on. So $1, $10, $1, $1, however you want to do it, or you can make them all $1. But if you do them all $1, it'll be a $26 savings challenge. But if you do the vowels, it'll be a little bit more if you do it that way. So I feel like that's a nice savings challenge that you can easily do. This one, you color in the TVs. So this one says, this challenge is for all the TV lovers. Color in a TV each time you finish an episode of your favorite binge-worthy show. Okay, so every time you finish a show, it's kind of like paying to watch a show. So every time you finish a show, then you got to put $2 into this challenge and color in the TV. Okay, so this is a $2 one. Okay, we have some fries. This challenge is for everyone who loves grabbing fast food on their way home. Color in a French fry each time you save. So that is $2 there. Oh, look, we got a remote control for gaming. So this is for all the gamers out there. Color in a piece of the controller each time you skip buying a new game, skins, or subs. And if you didn't want to do it the way that it's saying here, you could just color them in as it is. Just every week, I usually like to put money towards my savings challenges. So one week you can do 5. Next week, maybe you can do 4 and you can color in 2 of these. Maybe one week you can only do 2, so you can color in 1. So that's usually how I like to do savings challenges, is every week putting money towards them. Okay, let's skip a couple. Let's see, this is a $75 one, so you get to color in some rainbows. Ooh, what's this one? Flip a coin. I like these kind of challenges too, where I'm either using dice, or in this instance, you use a coin. Flip a coin each day, save $1 if you land on heads, and 2 if you land on tails. So it has each day you can flip a coin, and then whether it lands on a head or tails, then you save that amount, and you can color in the head or the heads or the tails, depending on which one you flipped, and then fill this in. And so this one will range, it will be either $60 to $120 for this challenge, since, you know, it all depends on what you flip. Okay, let's see. Ooh, this one with the Jenga little cubes or blocks. Stack your way to savings, color in a block each time you save the corresponding amount. This is one tower that won't fall. Okay, so yeah, you just get to pick a block and color it in once you save that amount, and that one's $250. Okay, then we got this cute fall one, again, more coloring in, and I love a seasonal one, so love this. Hello Autumn, so you can color these in each icon each time you save $25. This is $25. Each little image is $25. When you save that one, then you get a winter one. I'm assuming there was a spring, yeah, a summer and a spring one. Very cute. Then we have a rainy day fun. Color in a raindrop each time you save $4, and that'll amount to $240 for this challenge. Then we have the holiday one. It's for the holidays, so you can color in. So this one says, this challenge is for everyone who stresses over money during the holidays. Color in a gift box each time you save $10 toward holiday gift giving. So each little present is $10 that you can color in. Okay, we have a little piggy bank one here. Stuff that piggy bank, color in a coin each time you save $5, and that'll be $5.50. Okay, so it's actually more than $200. What did it say at the front? $25 to $100 activities. It has more than that. So it does have some larger ones at the end, but it's got a lot more smaller ones at the beginning. So we have $740 goal. This one you're coloring in each letter, and they're $20 each. I am capable of achieving financial freedom. Let's see the last one in this book. We have another of the ones where you color in the words. It's I can save more than I ever thought I could. And this one you would save $8.50 in each word, or each letter is $25. Okay, so that is the book. There's Ilysse right there. So that's Ilysse. But that is the book. Cash Dash activity book for tight budgets. I'm going to pick one to add to my planner right now. I have some extra little goodies. Oh, look, I've got a little signature from Ilysse. Super cute. Also I got some zebra pens, which when I do these activity books, the ones that I have done in the past, I do use zebra products. When I color this in, this is all zebra mild liners, which I do see a couple mild liners here. I love using these in this book. So we have some mild liners in here. We have a dual tip. I love the brush ones. If you haven't used zebra stuff, they have great pens and markers and stuff. So we have a dual tip brush, and then this little click art marker one, the regular mild liner. We got a mechanical pencil, and then just a regular gel pen. Okay, so I'm gonna pick a challenge for my planner, so that way I can add it to my budget planner. Ooh, look at this one. You're on the road to savings. Color a license plate element each time you save $3. This one's a $60 challenge. $100 one. Color each section each time you save $4. $4 challenge. Which one do I want to do? I think I kind of like this game controller. think that's really cute. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one out. Oh, you know what? And on the bottom it says $25 to $100 activities on the bottom. And then it does switch to like 250 plus activities. 100 to 250. Oh, here's a roll the dice one. I love doing these. This is fun. This is a fun one where you roll the dice and then where would you start? Like maybe here. Start here, you roll 2, then you got to flip a coin. Then you roll 3, then you got to save $20. Love these kinds of challenges. That one's fun. But I'm going to do, yeah, we'll do the remote control because I just like that. So I'm going to tear it out with the perforated pages. Okay. And then I'm just going to punch this into my planner. It is a little bit smaller than my planner, but I'll be able to fit it like at least here. I'm going to punch it though. Okay, and then hopefully you have a punch. If you have a disc-bound planner, I highly suggest getting a punch so you can add things to your planner. And then I'm just going to put it in here and just eyeball it in here. Like there, maybe. Okay, we're going to go here. It's all the way in. I'm going to punch. Okay, kind of got it almost centered in there, so that's good. And then this is going to go in my planner. This will be a new challenge I will work on here. So we'll put it here. Okay, it's a little bit smaller, but it still fits, and that's all that matters as long as it fits in the planner. This one I had to cut down because it was too big. So at least I don't have to cut these down to fit in the planner. So that's cool. But yeah, that's going to be the new challenge. And then I will use these markers to color it in once I save. These would be great to use for that. But yeah, that is going to be my new challenge. And what am I saving for? For this, I do want to save, since it's an electronic kind of thing, I'm going to put this money towards electronics. Actually, I think I want to put it towards like either fun or treat yourself, something, because you know, a remote control, I think of games and I think that's something fun to do. So I probably would put this money towards like my fun envelope or my treat yourself envelope, because those are fun things for me to do with my budget. So that's probably what it'll go towards. But yeah, just wanted to add that in just to show you how you can take it out of the book and then put it into your planner if you use a disc-bound planner. But that is going to be it for this video. So excited to start this challenge and to have some new challenges. This book is very affordable. It is $10 and it has over 50 challenges. So you get a great value for this book and tons of challenges to work through. So yeah, it's a really, really good deal. So definitely check that out. It will be linked down in my description, my Amazon link. So a huge thanks to Ilysse for sending me this copy of this book so that way I could share it with all of you and let you know that this has released and you can purchase one if you would like to from Amazon. And I believe you can find them in Barnes & Noble too. I think I saw her post that she was seeing them at the stores, which is really, really cool. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching as I flip through this awesome new book. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.